7 years na or 7 years pa lang?
Tayo. 2016 tayo.
10 years na.
Almost 10 years kami. Pero feeling ko hindi naman tayo maghihiwalay. Kasi gumawa tayo ng baby together.
Hindi ka sure.
Wanzi, hello. Oh.
Napaisip ako doon, pre, ha?
Hindi, kumbaga,
Nangyari ba talaga
sinasabi
yun?
niya kasi, is it 7 years na or 7 years pa lang?
Nakahabaan na ba tayo or kulang pa yung 7 years for us?
You know what? It's been on team together for such a long time. And I always say they're family, they're brothers.
Kulang.
7 years pa lang.
Kasi meron silang sinasabi na pag yung boy group umabot ng 5 years, after nun, disband na.
So ngayong taon natin malalaman.
Hindi kasi parang dati pa lang nagsasabi na yung mga fans eh. Parang abot ba sila
Ready ba sila ng 7? Kasi pag nalagpasan natin yung 7, magtatagal daw siya. Pero pag hindi tayo umabot ng 7.
Kaya ako nasabing 7 years na. Kasi ang swerte natin, nalampasan natin yung 5. Doon sa 7 years na yun, parang lumaki naman tayo. Kumbaga,
Yeah, I mean, they're together for 7, 8, 9 years. Long. And studies say that if you stay with someone for 7 years, if you have friendship with someone for 7 years, he's not just your friend. He becomes, or he or she becomes your family. So here you can see the same.
kumbaga sa parents, napalaki tayo ng maayos.
So, with that, since 7 years, magsa-7 years na tayo, naisip niyo ba kung kailan tayo magsa-stop?
Sabi ko nga hindi tayo pwede mag-stop kasi may baby nga tayo.
Pero in a way, kasi ako, meron akong mga...
All of them want to stay. Pablo, he's the real, this guy works hard for the team. I mean, all of them works hard, but he's the leader. He has extra pressure. He wants everyone to feel good, to feel safe, to feel comfortable,
fantasy na sa mga malulungkot na bagay. So, ini-imagine ko minsan yung mga nakakaiyak na bagay. So, hindi nyo ba ini-imagine minsan yung parang dadating yung panahon na every 2 years na lang tayo magkikita?
Alam mo, lagi ko na yung isip yan.
Pero imposible.
Kasi may kumpanya.
Kasi may company nga.
Alam mo,
Tama ka lang, imposible kasi meron ka inaalagaan.